I am completing the step-by-step instructions for Dreamweaver Chapter 3, Lab 2, which is on pages 194 to 196 in your textbook. I'm going to be creating and adding to the Designs by Dolores website. So the first thing you need to do is open up My Computer, navigate to your personal drive and your Web Design 2 folder. Open up Web Design 2. Then go into the Chapter 3 folder, find the Lab 2 folder, and there is an images folder and a text file. You need to copy those. So select and copy, and now go back and paste them in your Designs by Dolores folder. If you do not have a Designs by Dolores Lab 2 folder, call me over at this point. So I'm going to paste those in. Now I'm ready to close out and get started in Dreamweaver. Okay, in this chapter we are going to be adding images and links to our Dolores website. After you start Dreamweaver, use the Sites button on the Files panel to navigate to your Designs by Dolores site over on the right. If you don't have this Designs by Dolores site started, you need to call me over again. You should have a CSS folder, an images folder, a templates folder with a template inside, an about text file, and an index.html. If any of those are missing, do not carry on, stop and call me over. Okay, we want to create a web page using the Designs template. So I'm going to open up this Designs template. You can do it over here, or you can go to Create New, click More, and we want a page from template. We want to use our Designs by Dolores template, and then you're going to click Create. We're going to be making the following 6 pages that you see in the navigation bar. We already have the index. We need 5 more. So File, Save As. This will become the about.html page. Then save. Close out of about.html. Go to Create New, click More. We want a page from template. Designs by Dolores site. Design template, hit Create. When you go to File, Save As, we want to make this our services.html and make sure you're saving in your Designs by Dolores folder up here. Save. Close out. Create a new page from template. Using our Designs template, create. This will be the pricing page. File, Save As. Call it pricing.html. Save. Close it. We want another new page from template. Save it as the hosting.html page. And one more. Oops, I'm going to close this one out so I don't get confused. File, Save As, and contact.html. Save. If you hit the refresh button under your Designs by Dolores site, you should have 6 total HTML documents. Close all of the documents out and now open your Designs template. I'm going to do it. You can either do it under Local Files or by going to File, Open, opening your Templates folder, and finding your Designs template. We want to make some changes to this template and we're going to add some links. First, adding the links so that when we click in our navigation bar, it'll actually take us to our different pages. So select the word home. We're going to use our point to file button and point to the index page. Release. You should see a link pop up. Right now it's just the generic underline blue. About us, we're going to point to file about.html. If you make a mistake, just hit this undo arrow. Next, services. Drag and point to services. Pricing. Point to file pricing. Web hosting is the same. Oops, since I don't see it yet, I'm going to navigate down. Oh, that's the hosting page. I apologize. Hosting and contact us. Okay, now we want to edit some of our rules. Make sure you're in the CSS tab under All Rules. And we want to change our header, navigation, contact, and footer. Double click to open your header rule. You can follow along with me here, or I'm going to be using page 194 to change my rules. In the type category, I want to take out this font family. So just backspace and get rid of that. Same thing with font size. You're going to remove it, color, remove value, and apply. In the box category, for the top padding, I want to remove that. Bottom padding, remove. Left padding, remove. And then apply and OK. We're going to be changing the header. I want to change my navigation. So double click, open up navigation. In the background category, I want to change the background color to 036. Hashtag 036. Apply and OK. The content I want to change as well. You can either double click or use the little pencil to edit the rule. In the box category, for left padding, I want to remove that value and apply. For the border category, I want to change the bottom color to hashtag 036. Apply and OK. In my footer, I'm going to go with the type category, change my color to hashtag 333, apply, and my background color in the background category, I want background color to be FC0. Apply and OK. We also want to make some changes to the links. Changing the links is located in Page Properties. So down under Properties, click on Page Properties. You're going to use Links CSS. We want the link color to be hashtag FFF. Our rollover links to be hashtag FF0. Visited links to be hashtag FFF. And for underline style, we want never underline. Apply those rules and then click OK. Now you can see the font color is different for your navigation. Okay, for our header, we want to take away this Designs by Dolores, delete that text, and we want to insert an image. So you're going to go to Insert, Image. We already have the image saved in our Images folder, and that is the Designs logo. So double click. Alternate text will read Business Logo, and then OK. Now I'm going to save all those changes, hitting the Save All button. Update all your files, and then you can close. Now I want to close out of my template and open up my index. So under my local files, open up index.html. We want to add an image at the bottom. So after, actually we're going to insert it right before the word welcome. So click in front of the W in welcome. You're going to go to Insert, Image. We want to use the home image, and then OK. Alternate text will read home image. You need to change the alignment. Notice this doesn't look very good. So right click on the picture. After you do right click, you're going to go to Align on the shortcut menu, and then you need to go to Left. That'll left align your photo. Put your cursor after, put your cursor before the P in Please Contact Us Today, and then you're going to hit Enter to move that down a line. Save those changes and close out of your index. Now we want to open the about.html. Double click to open About. We want to add some content to this page. So I'm going to backspace insert content here. That's just the placeholder text. Now under local files, open up About Text. Starting at the bottom, select all that text. Go to Edit, Copy. Go to about.html. Right click and paste, or go to Edit, Paste. All right, we want to add a picture to the bottom. After the word satisfied, hit Enter. You're going to go to Insert, Image, use the About image, and click OK. Alternate text will read About image as well. Click OK. And then it'll look a little better if we center this. So you're going to go to Format, Align, and Center. You can save those changes. Now you should view this page in Internet Explorer or Chrome. So preview it in one of those two. You want to click on the links to make sure they turn yellow when you roll over. Make sure your alignment is okay and that all of the links work. Okay, we'll be developing the rest of these pages in another chapter. So I'm going to close out of Internet Explorer, and that's it for Lab 2.